Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text behind objects in Canva. This is a really useful design trick, especially if you're creating eye-catching graphics for your Shopify store, product banners, ads, or even social media posts that need to look clean and professional. So here I am in my Canva dashboard, and for example, I will create a presentation. A presentation is a good starting point because it gives us a clean canvas to work with. So let's just create a blank presentation, and here is our Canva editor. So let's just wait for it to finish loading. Then from here, you can go ahead and add your own design and add your own elements right here, whether that's images, shapes, or branding elements from your store. So for example, a simple way that I can add text behind objects is by using the layers in Canva. Layers are really important to understand because they control what appears in front and what appears behind. So for example, I will add this cat right here, and I will add a text. And then for example, I'll just say cat. Then I will increase the size of this font like this, so it's big enough to clearly see the effect. And then I can use the layer feature in Canva so that I can put this text behind this cat image. So I can just click on position and then click backward. This sends the text layer behind the image layer. So as you can see, the text is now behind the cat. And then you can go ahead and play around with the text so that it looks good behind this cat image. You can adjust spacing, font style, or transparency to make it more visually appealing. And then, that is a simple way that you can put text behind objects, which works great for basic graphics and product visuals. Now, what if we have an image? So for example, I have an image right here that I want to upload. So I'll just drag and drop the image, for example, this one, and then here is the image. And then I want to put the text behind this person. This is common when you want text to look like it's partially hidden behind a model, influencer, or product photo. So what we can do is that we can use the background remover in Canva. So you can click on the image, then click on edit, and then from here, we will use the background remover. This tool automatically separates the subject from the background. But this is a premium feature in Canva, so you need to use a Canva premium account. But don't worry, if you have the free version, you can also use third-party websites. So for example, you can just search for background remover here in Google, and then for example this one, the Remove That BG website, which is commonly used and beginner-friendly. So you can use this website for free, and then let's wait for it to load. So from here, you can just go ahead and upload the image. So for example, I'll upload it right here. And it will automatically remove the background for you. This usually only takes a few seconds. And then I can download that specific image. So for example, I'll try again to show the result clearly. Now as you can see, the background is removed from the image. And then you can proceed to download this, and then just follow the same steps that I'm going to do. So from here, let's go back to Canva, and let's duplicate the image. Duplicating is important because we'll use one version as the background and one as the subject. And then we'll set this image as the background. So you can just right-click and then click this option right here, Set Image as Background. And then from here, we will use the background remover, which is this one. And then let's wait for a bit. And then as you can see, the background is removed. So I'm sorry, this will be our subject, and then this will be our background. So let's move this to the front, and then this one should be at the back, so everything layers correctly. And then just do the same thing, Set Image as Background. And then let's adjust the size of this image so that it is in line with our image right here. This step helps keep everything aligned so the subject looks natural. So let's adjust it some more like that. So it should align with our background image and look seamless. And then from here, we can just do the same thing that we did earlier. We can just add the text, for example, right here, and then I'll just say, smile. And then we'll make it bigger so it stands out. And then we'll change the text color into white so it's easy to read. And we can also add some effects like a lift right here to give it more depth and contrast. And then let's put it behind our subject. And then as you can see, our text is now behind the image. This is great for hero images, Shopify homepage banners, or lifestyle product shots. So that is one way that you can add text behind the image. So another way is that I'll just create a blank page right here, and then I will upload another image. So for example, this one. Here is the image. So instead of using a background remover, what we can do is that we can use the magic grab feature here in Canva, which can be faster and more precise in some cases. So we can click edit, and then we can use magic grab, which is this one. You also need to have a premium Canva account for this feature. So let's just click on this. And then what this will do is that it will grab the subject from the image, so which is this one, which is this person right here, without you manually removing the background. So we'll wait for it to finish loading. So we need to click the person first, and then we can click on Grab. And then from here, we can go ahead and grab the subject along our image. So we don't need to use the background remover if you are using the magic grab, which can save you time when working on multiple designs. So I'll just undo the changes. So from here, let's make sure the subject is grabbed, and then let's add the text again. And then we can just do the same thing. So for example, I'll just say beauty right here. I can go ahead and increase the size so it's more visible. I can add an effect, just this lift, and then I can also add a shadow to make the text pop. Then let's make the text color into this beige color right here, which works well with softer backgrounds. And then let's just change the position to backward. And then, as you can see right here, we have our text behind our object, creating a clean and professional layered effect. And then that is it. That is how we can put text behind objects in Canva. This technique is perfect for improving your branding, product visuals, and marketing graphics. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.